Hello, I'm Jashana. I'm new to YouTube and I'm going to do something I hope you all like, cooking. Now, I'm not the best cook, but I'm going to try my best. I'm going to make wings because why not? We're going to start with a bowl of our chicken, and then we're going to add a tablespoon of salt and pepper. Then we'll add a dash of onion powder and garlic powder, and then next some Cajun seasoning for a little bit of kick to it, and mix it together and set it aside. Then we'll crack a few eggs into a bowl, whisk it until it's all mixed together. Now we'll take a bowl of our flour and mix our spices into it. Our flour is ready. After that, we dip our chicken into the eggs and then dip them into the flour. Once all the chicken is covered, I will put them in the air fryer because I don't trust myself with hot oil. After about 15 minutes, they should be ready. Thanks for watching. Bye. First of all, you act like we had like a 10,000 takes. We had like 3. It's like 4, maybe. Maybe 4 max. I don't like flavored water, but like it's already too late. She's in. I'm gonna start over again because that's how it sounds. Why? Because I burp a lot, for real. If I did, please like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye. That was pretty good. Let me see. Like, make it like nicer.